To change a chart in MetaTrader 4, start by opening your MetaTrader 4 platform. Once the platform is open, locate the chart that you want to change. You can either select an existing chart from the Market Watch window or create a new chart by dragging a currency pair from the Market Watch onto the main window. Now that you have your chart open, right-click on the chart area to bring up the context menu. From this menu, you can access various options. To change the chart type, hover over the Chart Type option and select from the available styles such as line chart, bar chart, or candlestick chart. Each type presents price data differently, so choose the one that suits your trading style. Next, you may want to customize the chart's appearance further. Right-click again on the chart and select Properties. In this window, you can adjust colors for the background, grid, and candles or bars. This will help enhance your chart's readability and make it visually appealing. Finally, if you wish to save this chart setup for future use, go to the File menu and select Template, then Save Template. Give your template a name and save it. This way, you can quickly apply your favorite chart settings to any new charts you open in the future.